Hello everyone, this is my Week 8 video audio journal in DPA 740. Is a collaboration in public administration. The discussion. This journal will discuss the collaboration between the Human Resource Department of the City of El Monte and the Internal Affairs Bureau of the El Monte Police Department, currently in two separate units and actually in two separate buildings. And a thesis of my discussion is the collaboration between Human Resources, a civilian unit, and the Internal Affairs Bureau, a sworn unit, promotes accountability and efficiency. One, it streamlines communication. The communication between the police department and the Human Resources Department when it relates to personnel and risk management. And number two, it reduces misinformation in both directions and responsibilities are well defined. Number three, it builds a strong relationship between the two different units, one being sworn and one being civilian. It builds a strong relationship between City Hall and the police department as well. It also streamlines communication between the police department and human resources when it relates to personnel and risk management. And we're speaking of not requiring special permission for the two units to communicate with each other. As an example, going through a chain of command or a director for the line personnel to speak to each other in regards to issues related to personnel and risk management. It just makes it less burdensome. So there's no requirement to do so to transfer information and or request through managers, directors, or even police management. And it reduces time for information to travel between the two units, so it reduces time in which information is given and received. And the benefits of doing such, it's especially beneficial in high profile and potentially expensive lawsuits. As said earlier, it reduces misinformation going in both directions, and responsibilities are well defined. Information isn't lost in travel. It promotes accountabilities as roles and responsibilities are defined and assigned. In addition to information and building a strong relationship, it's important to develop the network of resources we have throughout the city in addition to human resources. But human resources is a start as far as extending our hand in building a better working relationship. And the relationship helps to increase efficiency because obstacles to communication are removed. There's a personal element to it because you're putting a face to a name. And this collaboration promotes accountability and efficiency, as stated earlier, but it ultimately translates into serving the public, because when we serve each other better, that translates into serving the public better, and the work is for a greater good. And finally, the collaboration between the Human Resources Department and the Internal Affairs Bureau represents an exercise in accountability and efficiency. Duties and responsibilities are assigned, the process of transferring information is streamlined, and ultimately it promotes a stronger working relationship between the two work units. Thank you.